guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Sayantani and you're watching the Curvy style. So welcome back to another Christmas room decor video. So basically what I'm gonna do is that the bay window that I have in my room, I'm gonna redecorate it with Christmas tree and some other ornaments and few other things. So without any further ado, let's start the video. But before that, if you haven't checked my previous videos, I'll put the link in my card and also in my description box. And the DIYs that I did in the 3 videos, I'm gonna use them to decorate my bay window. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram for more Christmas and other videos. So now let's start the video. So this is the condition of my bay window. I have already set up the tree, but this is not the permanent solution. But जब ये पेड़ आया, so I just couldn't wait to unbox it, so I did it. Also the room is a kind of a mess. यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा ladder है, इस पे bedsheets रखे हुए हैं, मुझे bedsheet बिछाना है यहाँ पे and all of that. Yeah, let's begin decluttering this space first. पहले यहाँ से हटाते हैं. Let's clean it. Then we'll see what we can do. Time to decorate. So if you can tell, this wallpaper has had some really bad wear and tear. ये wallpaper उतना टिका नहीं, but that's okay because we'll have some different plans for it in the new year that I'll share in some other video. So for now, I'm gonna use my trusted mat to place it here in the bay window till the grass mat that I have kept. Gonna set up my Christmas tree here. I only have to position, like either on the back side of this camera or this side, but ये जो है ना, ये थोड़ा फाइबर मटेरियल है, तो इस पे ऐसे फोर्स देके बैठना मुझे उतना कंफर्टेबल नहीं लगता. Also because of this pillar that I have here, so I'm just gonna use this place for my Christmas tree, and we'll make the sitting corner at opposite side. So yeah, now let's see. Let's bring that Christmas tree and some stools. हाइट देखते हो कितना है. सो दिस इज़ माई ट्री. ये मैंने फ्लिपकार्ट से लिया है. इट्स अ प्लास्टिक ट्री. सो फॉर द डिस्क्लेमर, ये मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम है कि मैं इस लेवल पे क्रिसमस डेकोरेशन कर रही हूँ. इससे पहले तक आई शो यू माई क्रिसमस ट्री पुराना वाला. सो दिस वॉज माई प्रीवियस क्रिसमस ट्री एंड या आई जस्ट समहाउ लव फेस्टिवल्स एंड ऑल काइंड ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स irrespective of anything like race, caste, community, religion, anything. I just love celebrating festivals and I love decorating my room according to that. So I have put the Christmas tree on this छोटा सा stool, but I'm not really sure of the height. तो ये जो top portion है Christmas tree का, I'm gonna bend it out so that my tree topper can fit. So I'm gonna lose a lot of height if I keep it here. I'll show you. So this is what I mean, that I'm gonna lose a lot of height. And Christmas tree ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं लगेगा. So maybe I can try this. I think yes, I'm leaning more towards this height. This will be perfect. So let's go with it. Now I'm just gonna put the tree skirt that I made in my previous video. I'll put the link in the I button and we'll put it at the bottom and we'll see. Then we'll move forward from there. So I've removed the bottoms for the tree. Now I'm just gonna take the tree skirt. And ये जो होल मैंने यहाँ पे क्रिएट किया है उसको मैं यहाँ से I just put it inside. And मेरा जो tree है is very light, but if you have a heavier tree, make sure you put a cut in the middle of the tree skirt so that you can place it. Now I'll just put the legs back on and voila, the tree skirt is ready. Tree is very sparse. So I bought some garlands. यहाँ पे 5 के packs हैं, and I'm gonna wrap it around the tree. And since this garlands have like a white outer surface, it will give a very snowy effect. Then I have this lace that is remaining from my DIYs, and this bell wala garland that I have had for the past 3-4 years now. And also I have cut some bit of it and used it in a DIY. And if you haven't seen that DIY, please go. I'll put the link here and in the description also. I'm sorry for the noise, guys. So yeah, now just I'm gonna take my ladder up and we'll climb up the ladder and put the garland. So I've climbed up the ladder, but this is too high for me, and I don't think this will be a good idea to put the garlands like that. So maybe what I can do is I'll take the Christmas tree on the bay window, I'll decorate it, and then we'll put it on the stool. Yeah, that will be a better option. So I've taken the Christmas tree down from the stool, and I think this is a much better way. And also I've put on my hair up because it's hot here. It's middle of December and it's hot, and also the fan is on. Imagine how hot it is. And now, so they came in wrapped like this, so I'm just gonna unfold one by one and then we'll see. Honestly, I have no clue what I'm doing, even though I have seen some videos on YouTube and some pictures on Pinterest, but I think I know what I'm doing, but we'll see. I'll just wrap it around the tree just like that. Right now, and now I'm just gonna put this. So this is how the tree is looking right now, and don't worry about the top, we'll fix it later, but this is how it is. Now what I'm planning is I want to put some lights on the tree, and I have so much of this remaining from the light I have. I don't know if you can see. So I think later when I'm done with all decorating, I'm just gonna put it on the stool and I'm gonna wrap it with the light. I think that would be better. So I have got a full set of ornaments along with this tree. I got it on some offer, and also I had few of the ornaments from previous years, so I'm just gonna use all of them and decorate my tree. So I'll just put you on a time lapse and let's see. This is how the tree is looking at itself. For the first time, I'm really proud of how my tree is looking. I'm sorry for the voice. I'm really happy with the outcome. It's looking really pretty. I don't know how much the camera is capturing, but I know it's looking a bit maximalist, but I love it like this. So yeah, now I'll just fix the light a little bit. Now I want to decorate this area, so I have few things that I don't know if you can see. So first of all is this Santa Claus, this cute Santa Claus. It was made by my mom few years ago when she was learning making plush toys. So I'm planning on keeping it here. far. I have used another light that is battery operated. So I'll just do the final touch-ups and then show you the final result. And this is the final result. Loved the video. I hope you have loved the decoration that I did. For me personally, for the first time that I've been doing this, I'm pretty proud of myself, to be honest. I didn't think it will turn out this good, but it did. And I'm not gonna complain of any other thing because I didn't buy super pricey things, so I can't expect things to be like ultra fancy. So I'm very happy with my choices and I'm very happy with the decor, the way it has turned out. Let me know your thoughts. And I'll see you very soon because a surprise package has arrived. And if you've seen my video about planners and journals, you would know that I'm a very big planner head. And I have selected my planner for the upcoming year, that is 2023. And it has arrived. And I want to do an in-depth, like a flip through and tour of that planner and whatever the freebies that I have received. So yeah, I think that will be the next video. Then we'll see. I'm planning to post quite a lot of videos till this year ends, so hopefully I'll see you very soon. Also, before I go, if you have liked this video, do hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.